Hello everyone, welcome back to Mushy Toys. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to do a Halloween unboxing. I found as many Halloween themed toys as I could, and I put them all in this beautiful candy dish that we got from Disney World. And yeah, let's get started. So I did purchase these Haunted Mansion figures. They are sold as mystery figures, but in fact, they are not mystery. So, you order them online, so maybe that is the mystery piece there. I couldn't find them in any stores, so I ordered 3, ended up getting 2 of the same, so I returned one, but we are going to open this up and see the actual figures. And if I can open it, maybe? No. Oh my. Sorry, I know that was loud. Oh wow. Oh, the box is really cool. Okay, so this is one of the little singing heads that is part of the ride. This is really cool. I really love the little glitter in there, like makes it very unique. So there's that one, and there are 6 of these to collect. I am on the hunt for the rest of them. So yeah, I really love this guy. Alright, let's see about this one. I mean, they're just very unique figures, period. So, I'm going to get away from the camera there so it'll be less. Oh my goodness. That was really loud. Okay. Here's this guy. He looks like one of the hitchhiking ghosts. He's got his little thumb out there. I love his little suit. Very nice. Very detailed too. You can look at his little eyes there. I mean, this is a really cool figure, and I am very excited to have him. So here are the Haunted Mansion figures that are not so mystery, but that's okay. Still really cool. Uh-oh. He may not stay. Okay. All right. This is a Feisty Pets mini misfits. I know that these come in like bigger versions, but I thought this would be cool for a little, you know, Halloween scary little unboxing. Okay, so this end goes up. I love the bigger versions of these too. They're really cool. I'm not sure how to open this. Oh, there we go. There's no checklist in here either, so we will see what we get. Whoop! Oh my. Oh my gosh. He's a little raccoon. Rawr. Oh. And there is a checklist. Good. Let's see. Spoke too soon, I guess. Oh my gosh. These are really fun. Oh, that is a sloth. That's awesome. Okay, let's see. Oh, a panda. Okay, we got Rascal Rampage. And he is not, he's just a comment, so, but that's cool. He's pretty neat. Cute, feisty, cute, feisty. Oh man, those are fun. I'll have to look for more of those. I'm just knocking over everything. Okay. I'm just gonna pull this one out. These are Disney Wishables, the Monsters Inc. collection. I am hoping for Roz. So let's see. Oh, look, I got the variant Roz. Oh, that is so awesome. I'm having the best luck with these. Oh my gosh. I didn't even know she was a variant, but look at how adorable she is. I mean, and the plush is so soft on me. It's just amazing. I really love these, so I will be getting more of these for sure. I did open some Coco ones, and I got the variant Dante, and I will have the link for that video down below. I mean, she is just so awesome. Okay, let's see if we can get her to stand. Give her a little help. Okay. These are Nightmare Before Christmas figural bag clips, Series 5. These are all really amazing. I really am hoping for Zero because he's my favorite Nightmare Before Christmas character. Ooh, this is cool. The little jack-o'-lantern, jack-in-the-box. Wow. Oh, he is so neat. Oh, I really love him. I will have to get some more of those too. I really love this movie. I've probably watched it 4 or 5 times already this month. Okay. So I was just looking for, anything I could find that would be related to Halloween. And I found these Kinder Joy glow-in-the-dark toys at Target. And I know that the treat part of this is always really delicious, so okay, let's see. Ooh, oh, this is cute. He's like a little Frankenstein. Oh my gosh. Oh, this one's super easy to put together too. Dun, dun, dun. There he is, little Frankenstein. Let's see if we can get him to glow in the dark. Okay, I couldn't get the camera to pick up the glow in the dark, so here's little Frankenstein guy. Looks like he's trick-or-treating. He's all ready to go and get some candy, because that's what's important in our lives. And I'll just show you this delicious treat that comes in there. Absolutely yummy. Save that for later. And we'll keep going. Okay, so I was really excited about these. These are Twisted Treats. They're from Paka Paka, which is a Funko like sub-brand, I guess. But here are the treats. They're like twisted treats. So this is really, the figures are cool. I saw some other videos on these. And this little ball is going to be cool. So you can go ahead and, I'm going to use it to make some bath bombs. And we got the little cake guy. I mean, really. Look at how awesome this is. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. I mean, all the little details and sprinkles on top there. This is a really cool figure. I did get a couple of these. I'm really excited about them. So stay tuned for more videos with the Twisted Treats if you like these. I really like this little shake. I'm really hoping to get this s'mortified guy, the s'more. And we got birthday cake. Oh man, that's really fun. Let's see, we got the common. Oh wow, you can get metallic ones. That's really neat. So there they all are. Stay tuned for more. I absolutely love them, so I am definitely interested in getting more. Okay, we got Nightmare Before Christmas, Funko Mystery Mini. This is what I thought the the Haunted Mansion ones were going to be like, but again, I ordered them online and that's what they came like, so no worries there. Still cool figures. These are Walgreens exclusives. This series, let's see. And I do not know which one is exclusive to Walgreens, but again, hoping for 0. Let's see what happens here. This is a very heavy one. I feel like it might be that. Oh, it's Sally! Oh my gosh, how cute is she? That is adorable. Oh, I love her. That's what's so fun about these mystery ones. You just get, you know, you never know really the detail that you're going to find because you can't see this detail on the picture. I mean, look at how cute she is. Her hair is very nice. We've got this really adorable dress here. I mean, she's just really cute. This was the only one that I found at Walgreens too, so don't have any more of those. All right, we'll do some more Funko. Okay, so these are the Marvel Zombies. Forgot I turned off the lights. Oh yeah, that's so much better. Okay, sorry. Marvel Zombies. Funko Mystery Minis. I really don't care who I get because I like all of these figures. I will probably scream extremely loud if I get She-Hulk because she is my favorite Marvel character. But any of these are gonna be amazing. And these are the GameStop exclusive. These are only sold at GameStop. I'm knocking over Sally. Alright, let's see who we get here. See something green. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I totally want to do, I want to dress up like Gambit for Halloween, so this is absolutely perfect. He is definitely one of my favorite characters. I absolutely love him. I'm really excited that I got him. These figures are amazing. Yep, and I do have some more of those, so stay tuned if you like those. And here's the last one for this video. This is Boo Hollow. These are made by the Paka Paka, which is the Funko sub-brand. So there are the characters. I really like all of these. Again, I'm not going to be picky about which one I get because I want them all. So oh man, look at how cute she is. Uh-oh, something happened. Looks like she got a little blue stain on there. Oh man, so nothing came off of her, but something is stuck to her. Not sure what that is. She's got her hat. Okay. So we got Nina. She's part witch, part vampire, and totally goth. What's not to like? How adorable. Okay, so I really need this cat right here. His name is Pumpkin. I mean, hello. I need anything that's pumpkin. And I need Lucky. Obviously, I just got Nina, so I need Lucky to go with her. Let's see. Nina is hyper rare. Oh, this is the Nina glitter. Did I get the glitter? She is glittery. Yeah, I think I got the glitter one. Because this one is just solid black. Wow. Okay, so this is a great video. Other than this, which I'm sure I can get off. Hopefully. But, I'm not sure what happened there. Alright, well, that is it for this video. I cannot get these guys to stay up. We do not have even ground here to work on. Let's see. Let's see if I can lean them. Okay, they're a little top heavy. We're just gonna lay it down. Okay. All right, here are our finds. We got the variant Raws, Gambit, super amazing, Marvel Zombie Minis, Sally, Nina, Kinder Joy figure. This is amazing. The Twisted Treats. These awesome little figures here. Okay, so just remember to like this video if you enjoyed watching. It helps me figure out what toys to get. If there are any Halloween themed toys that you are interested in watching me open, make sure you comment down below, and be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and you can get more fun unboxing videos. Thanks for watching.